time to create the AI health bar now. We're going to right click, we're going to make a user interface widget blueprint, and we're going to name this AI health bar. And now we're going to open up this widget blueprint, and we're going to take a progress bar, which is going to read the progress of the health live time. Okay? And we're going to anchor this so that it to the center so it doesn't move and that it shows. And then under progress, we're going to take percentage and put it up a little bit to see it. For fill color and opacity, we're going to change this to red for health. And now the important part. Under progress, we're going to create a binding. And we're going to name this get AI health. And now we're going to have to create a variable inside this blueprint that is going to allow us to talk to the character blueprint and get that health for the widget to read the health of the widget, if that makes sense. So under return node, all you literally have to do is get this AI health variable we just made and set to 1 for 100% health and plug it into the return value so that whenever it returns the value, it's going to get the lifetime of the AI health.